to save Duolingo progress across devices. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Duolingo on your device, then click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on it, press on Profile, which is the first option in here. After you've clicked on it, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will find Profile. Simply click on Profile, and then in Profile, you will be able to see your email. After you've seen your email in another phone or another device, you will find this kind of screen. Press on Sign In, already have an account, and here, use the same email address that you saw earlier on other device. Log in with the same email and password and press on sign in. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to save Duolingo progress across devices. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.